These are the odds on who's going to win the US presidency in the next several months. And Donald Trump is 1.46, Joe Biden is 6.2. There are several others here with far higher odds, but as you can see, if you risk $100 on Trump right now, you're going to get $46 back, whilst on Joe Biden, $100 is going to give you $620. So the markets are predicting that there's quite a favorite here. Why? Because 2 days ago there was an assassination attempt against Donald Trump, and Elon Musk, who owns Twitter now, said he's fully endorsing President Trump. And basically, if he's endorsing him, you can expect that he's not going to censor whatever Trump wants to say on Twitter. Not only that, there was a pump in the crypto market. So coins like MAGA, which stands for Make America Great Again, were just about 2-3 days ago was $6 here, and now it's $8. So you can see it's quite pumping. And also Bitcoin is pumping because the gateway for many investors to buy those meme coins is mainly through Bitcoin, Ethereum. And you can see also here quite the headlines. Trump's election odds soar after assassination attempt, according to Polymarket. You can see a screenshot here. He has 71% 71% chance to be reelected, and Joe Biden has only 18%. The rest are trailing like 3%, which anything is possible, but the way it seems like to be the favorite. You can also expect probably to have a lot more protection in the next time he's gonna have a speech or somewhere, anywhere in the US. So when you look at kind of investment, if you want to turn this thing into investment, you can see also here, then that could be a nice idea. So here it's 46%. Maybe if you go to street bookmakers, things like that, it's going to be 40%. If you don't know how to use Betfair, you can use this guide from Gambling Freebies, how to use Betfair from anywhere. It was posted 4 years ago, but it's still correct today. You can see basically the instructions here, what you can do, which betting agents you can use. Basically, when you use a betting agent, you can basically access the same market here, even if Betfair is not available in your region. So feel free to read it. We're going to leave you a link in the description to that. And that's basically all. Just wanted to keep it short. But if you take all this information into account, that seems to be quite a nice investment if you're looking for the next several months, in terms of predicting who's going to be reelected. And over 40% yields. It's pretty good for just several months. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments and feedback, feel free to drop them, and like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.